We're going to learn all about body parts. Let's go! Head, it holds my brain so I can think. Hair, it keeps me warm in a snowy blink. Face, it smiles and shows who I am. Ears, they hear music beep and wham. Eyebrows, they move when I feel surprise. Eyes, they help me see the world and skies. Eyelashes, they blink and keep dust away. Cheeks, they puff when I laugh or play. Nose, it helps me smell the yummy air. Lips, they smile and show I care. Mouth, I eat and talk and sing out loud. Teeth, they chew my food, I'm proud. Tongue, I taste with it and speak just right. Chin, it sits below and keeps space tight. Neck, it helps my head to turn around. Shoulders, they lift my arms off the ground. Arms, they help me hug and wave hello. Elbows, they bend so my hands can go. Hands, I use them to draw, clap, and play. Fingers, they point and wiggle all day. Thumb, it helps me grab and hold on tight. Nails, they protect my fingers just right. Chest, it holds my heart so strong and true. Stomach, it helps digest my food too. Legs, they help me run and skip so high. Knees, they bend so I can jump to the sky. Thighs, they make my legs so strong and quick. Feet, they help me dance and do a kick. Toes, they help me balance when I walk. They wiggle and help me run and rock. Great job, my little hero!